Hello everyone, welcome to the second installment of the Rogues Revisited series. Today we're taking a look at AntiMalware 2009. This one's a little bit interesting, although it's pretty tame and it should be pretty easy to remove. So let's go ahead and run the setup, and it gives us this odd, I don't know why it's square at the top here, but it says this is the license agreement, and it has right at the bottom a little interesting thing saying that it is not responsible for any damage or lost profits from using this program. So maybe that's a bit of a foreshadowing. But anyway, let's install it. And we see this thing gets straight down to business, and it has alert, your system is infected with 2,878 infection found. So we're just going to leave them for now and have a look at some of these. So some of these are pretty stupid, like there's adware, whatever, doesn't matter. Trojans that modify the DNS settings on an infection. So but you can see these descriptions are like really long for some reason. But if we have a look at the rest of the infections, this is where it gets interesting. So this thing says that I am a cyber terrorist. Now I have been called that before, but not by an antivirus program. So it says this thing is, quote, make your computer acting as terrorist machine, send spam, attacks government and law enforcement sites, stealing credit card and banking information. And it's got this probably like 1,000 times down the list here. And then it just goes back to this stuff, what is this? Virtumonday, virus applications used to deliver advertisements to users' PCs. Among other actions, while running, it may open multiple windows containing unwanted advertising material and can be very difficult to remove completely. Difficult to removal completely. Excuse me. Just like this stupid thing. So if we go security, I mean it just wants you to buy. I don't know why it opens the IE window like slightly out so I can't close it, but you know, and antivirus has found 2,878 viruses on your computer. It is recommended to disinfect files as soon as possible. And it wants the license key, so we'll just give it one, activate. So, you know what's interesting is this thing actually had a support email back in the day, and I believe they said in here, if we can get it open again, if you have any problems registering software, please feel free contacting this email. We'll be glad to solve any of your problems 24/7, 365. So they are happy to solve any of your problems, your financial problems, marriage crisis perhaps, addiction, whatever your problem is, they will sort it 24/7, 365. Unique promo offer for AntiMalware 2009 software. Huge discounts available. Limited offer from just $39.95. Press yes to buy the software right now, or how can I refuse? Oh, but it doesn't work. So, privacy update just cannot perform, update doesn't work. Settings, don't know if you can, you can change them, but you can't change the start with Windows or what have you. And I mean, also, it's got the Windows embedded theme. I don't really know why. And no title in the window, but whatever. And it will be in tray and will protect your PC from threats. Thanks. Oh, it's found the viruses. Okay. So can we do stuff? Can we open Task Manager? Yeah. And it's just called itself this random RH cache JOE 3E E3F9. So something interesting about this one, it installs it to your program files in a random folder. I don't really know why. I don't know why it does that, but yep, here it is. There's our license from earlier. But it's not actually the whole thing, I don't think. Unless, maybe it is. No. A client buys the software to remove malware on his computer. The fact of software purchase is the payment of the license. So there's some real legal information for you guys. So this one doesn't really do anything. It doesn't block going to websites. Like, we can go to Google and it does not do anything. Before it did come up with some like block page, but I can't get it to do that again. Let's see if we can make it do what it's gonna do. It's still running. No, I guess not. It doesn't stop us searching for anything. We can just search for like AVG or something. Don't worry guys, I don't actually use AVG, but it's pretty sort of typical of the day. And I don't think it has set any proxy or anything if we go to connections. No. So, yeah, it's pretty tame. We can run command prompt, we can run regedit, we can run task manager, so we've got all the little tools at our disposal to delete this thing if we wanted to, but that's about it for AntiMalware 2009. The future is here, and it sucks. Thanks for watching.